Welcome once again to Mr. Hallelujah Maths class. Now let us solve the problem on the screen. Okay, they say that y varies inversely as the square of x. Now this is what it means. Now this can be written mathematically as an equation as the same thing as y equal to k, which is the proportionality constant, all over x square. Now from the question they say that if x is equal to 3 when y is equal to 100, so in place of y we use 100 equal to k all over x is equal to 3, and we have here as x square, so 3 times 3 will give us 9. Now to make k the subject formula, it simply means we are going to multiply both sides by 9, which means that k will be equal to 100 multiplied by 9, which will give us 900 as our k. Now the question said that we should find the equation connecting x and y. Now we know our k to be 900, so the equation connecting x and y is simply y equal to 900 all over x square. So the equation connecting x and y will be yx square equal to 900. This will be our final answer. Thanks for watching. Remember to follow the page. Recommend the page to your friends. Do well to like, do well to comment and share. This will show that you are encouraging and supporting what we are doing. Thanks for watching.